Well, this is our spring 2021 spring garden tour, and here you see a lot of the Sweet Williams, ablaze, and snapdragons. We've got like 2,000. We really like this Vice President bicolor rose here. We've had it about 2 years now. In the afternoon light, it's just gorgeous. And the Golden Lion sumac is ablaze. Of course, our arbor with the Don Juan rose, it's really successful this year. Really pretty, and it's going to go nicely with the white iceberg. So, yeah, we've planted a lot with the new greenhouse. A lot of propagation. Here's the bluebells in full blaze. They're purple, but called bluebells. The peonies are like crazy. And as you can kind of see in the front of the house, I'll get a closer look over there. But we just redid the parkway here with a number of plantings. And some hydrangeas we got. This is a limelight, which is very good in full sun. It'll get to 5 to 6 feet, about 4 feet across or better. And red salvia, again snapdragons, lupins, and yeah, this is one of the newer beds here that we did all the way along, and another one down there. This is a strawberry hydrangea, and they like sun too. So these are cleomes. They get about 3 feet to 4 feet tall. A little stickery, but first time we've done that. An errant wild tomato. I don't know what that's going to do. But I wanted to show you, that's a new peony we just got from A&D Nursery over in Clearview, Washington, south of Snohomish. And here's this Arabian Night. We've got several of these. It's just absolutely stunning. This is how big it is. You can compare it to my hand. Really beautiful. The Dahlia Beds, all growing all around here. We've got another one in the back. And the fountain's going like crazy. Our this is a new bed here as well. And we put the sundial in front with some, I don't think that's Irish moss. That's a Scotch moss, I think. And yeah, this carnation really by the bridge really took off this year for some reason. We've got one over there too. It's not quite as vigorous. I did an arrangement with the Japanese lantern and the birch tree that the neighbor cut down. So we decided to incorporate that. Peonies were just crazy this year. We've got like 11 of them, I think. And this one's just kind of finishing up, as is this one. And the sea holly, we've got a lot of these. They're not quite getting mature. They'll turn blue later on. John's made a nice little water arrangement with it's a brass fish there. And yeah, all the baskets are up, which we propagated in the greenhouse. And here's another bed. We did an entrance, kind of draws you into the house. Hostas, callas, lilies right here, which you can see are coming up. And snaps again. Liatris, she has yet to bloom. This is an azalea, it's finished blooming. This is English daisy here. We've got some English daisies with the caladiums in our fairy garden. Nice begonias. And that orange begonia is just a brilliant orange. It's just like a lantern. I love it. Along with the hostas. These caladiums we got on the west side. Huge leaf here. It's just enormous. Kind of keeps flopping over. But yeah, hydrangeas. coming on up. And there's the new greenhouse in the back. And the side garden, we just have a yellow iris come up this morning. And we got a yellow columbine to join it. Kind of pretty. And let's see, our hinokis are doing good. We put extra dahlias here and there because we have so many. More hydrangeas, another peony, heuchera. Planted this clematis to go on the arbor which we refurbished and rebuilt. Some sweet peas here with a cornucopia of snaps, cleome, pansies, etc. Here, let me open the gate here. Bear with me. We just put the cover, as you can see, on the greenhouse, and it's a 40% filtration, and hopefully it will help keep the greenhouse a little cooler. Lots more sweet williams in the side garden here. We just got this today, little yard decoration. Thought it was kind of cute. And some of our veggie gardens, extra propagation. This is our backyard dahlia bed here. And Gon's made a nice alyssum ball here the other week. And I'll have to show you his teddy bear. This is a Lady of Shalott, one of our most favorite roses, doing very well. It's kind of our fern grotto. We're going to put some more hostas back there. And this is a really beautiful variety too. This is a David Austin rose we got from the rosarium. It's doing very well this year. And some more begonias because this stays shaded. And yeah, here's the teddy bear that he worked on. Kind of cool. There's some more stuff to plant. And that's essentially what's blooming so far. We had a white peony right there, and it's just finished up. It's really stunning. Okay, that's it. Hope you enjoyed.